Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is January 27th, and this is your aftermarket update. So as I sit here in front of you, and before we talk about the trade of the day here and what happened on that trade of the day, I had a number of technology issues that I should probably address. Technology issue number one is my NinjaTrader was not operational at the time that we got started here today. So obviously it's operational now. I was able to get it sorted out, but by the time we started trading today, I was having issues with my main trading platform, and that's NinjaTrader. We also had technology issues as it relates to the Omnovia web platform. We were having a number of folks indicating that they were having a little bit of difficulty time seeing the screen. Then that would be resolved, and then they were having a hard time hearing, and then we'd get that resolved, and it was back to the screen issues. So there was a number of technology issues that were affecting what we were doing today. And lastly, the audio from the trade didn't record. So the video recorded, but not the audio. So again, it was one of those days where technology was really not on my side here today. But having said all of that, we were able to fight through it and pick up an extremely nice trade. In fact, I get short today at 53.24, and we ride two lots down to 52.60, which is 64 ticks. Times two lots is 128 total ticks on the final trade of the day. So one of the things that we talk a lot about in here is cut those losers short, let your winners run. And I had a number of losing trades, three maybe, cumulative total, three losing trades before we got into, maybe it was two, I think it was three, but whatever. I had losing trades leading into this final trade that broke. In fact, just for the sake of complete disclosure, I was extremely close to quitting when that last trade took me out, but I ended up staying in and that's the trade, taking one more trade, and that's the trade that ended up taking me all the way to the target. So I tell you that to say this. I was having a conversation earlier this afternoon with one of our room members, and we were talking about if you can get to a point in your trading career where you can read the order book and understand where some key points on the chart are, that's really all you need in order to be able to trade successfully. Now, that doesn't mean that every trade will be successful, but it does mean that in the long run, if you're able to accommodate those ideas and you understand where your targets are, you should be able to get to the points on your chart where you're looking at. So you come down here today, and if I would have had these levels here in front of me, and I kind of had an idea that this daily structure extension was down here at this 60 level, and but I could also see the accumulation of volume as we're heading down into this area. But I kind of had an idea that this structure extension, because I had done some measurement before my Ninja completely crashed on me today, but I was looking down here at this 60 for a target. But you can see here that the market really stayed in this range between your daily structure signal and your target. And it was right here when we rallied up to 40 that I got taken out. Now, one of the benchmarks that I was using today is this previous low here of 24. And so I was getting in short at 24, and it would come down, then it would come back up and rally out. Then I would get in short again. It would come back and take me out of break even. Then it'd get short again. Anyway, I did that a couple of times, and I had some really pretty reasonably good trades that I actually got taken out of break even or break even plus one on. But I was looking for this move right here today, and I got stopped out up here, right? I had a stop. I was in short at 24 one more time. I get stopped out. I think my stop was at 34. I'm just going from memory here at the moment. It comes up and sweeps us out up here at 40. But once we got back down underneath this 24, it came down here again. I got short at 24. And this is right about around the point where I was looking to walk away. But I got short one more time here at 24, 53.24, and I had a target down here at 52.60. The low of the day here is 58, and then the market kind of coasts back up for the rest of the day. But again, because I was using our order flow tool, because I was understood some basic points on the chart, like this previous low at 24, I was able to catch this really nice move to the downside. Now, I've taken that trade of the day, this is all but about 10 minutes worth of time. I've condensed it and shrunk it down into about 2 minutes because normally I like to let you watch the entire video so that you can hear me manage the trade and go back and forth. But because the audio portion of that did not record today. Then I just shrunk it down. I sped it up, put a little music in the background so that you can see that the trade really did go from start to finish all the way to our target. So again, it was a really nice way to end this week. I had a difficult time going into that trade today. I had some losing trades going into it, but this trade, as we talked about, cut your losers short, let your winners run, allowed me to make all of that back up and then some today. So again, this is 128 tick OTG trade of the day. And so again, there's no audio in this. My voice didn't record for whatever reason, one of the technology gremlins that got me today. So I put a little background music to it, sped up the tape, and so you could see kind of the trade in its entirety. So again, I'm going to let you watch that trade of the day. So without further ado, here is that OTG trade of the day. All right, so you can see that in very short order, we were able to go down, take out that target for what ended up being a really nice day here at the Oil Trading Group. So again, one of our key tenets that we look at in here, cut the losers short, let the winners run, played out again here today in a 128 tick trade. So as always, I want to say thank you for spending time watching the videos here at the Oil Trading Group. And until next time, I want to wish you good luck and good trading.